Hello, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Hi, if you are new here, I am Jossy Zoe, and if you are a returning viewer, hi. And if you are watching me right now, just hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you. In today's video, we are going to do a low puff on this natural hair, on my natural hair. And my hair has been washed, feeling clean, and I've blown it out. But guys, you wouldn't believe what I've done. I've cut my hair short. This wasn't my life. I've always loved short afro, so today I was like, I wanted to do a short afro, and I took a scissor. Well, my hair was literally at this length, but now. So let's get into the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and share. So before we start, show you what you'll be using for the low puff. I have my Gorilla Snub Gel. This is it. I have my spray bottle. I have my brushes too available. My combs, the tangling brush, scarf, yeah, headband. Oh, sure, yeah, headband, a yarn, ahoma, yes, ahoma, a yarn. If you are watching me right now and you have your natural hair on, you can also grab any products you have, your gel, and let's style this hair together. Yes, I just want us to do it together. So while I do, you also do. You also grab a chair, grab your stuff, and let's go. We start dividing the hair into sections. So I just apply a little of the gel, and you are good to go. Hey, man. Wait. I also do is I sprinkle water on the hair before I add the gel. Mostly, I don't know why I do that, but when I do them, it just makes the hair. I think it gives the hair some wavy texture when I add the gel. Give it some wavy texture. Not sure I'm going to be talking again throughout because it will be the same process till the front part. Guys, I think we have an issue here. This guy, I've cut it shorty. We are just hoping it will do the job as it has always been doing. So with the front part, I'll just spray. Yeah. The water is plenty. Please, guys, just add a little water in. It's draining. Oh, yeah. You don't want to spoil your beautiful dress, so just a little water in. A little water. So I'll just apply the gel in the middle. Because we want it in a middle part, not a side part. And you could see I was applying a lot of gel there because my front hair, they are very stubborn. Very stubborn. I don't know how to describe them again. They will raise up in 2 seconds. So let's brush through. Make it light now. Oh no, can't see the middle parts. Here you are. So guys, when I told you that when I use water in gel, like I guess I'm wavy definitions. This is what I was talking about. These waves. Today this front hair. Time I wouldn't be stubborn and cut my hair again. Maybe I'm struggling. It's a crime, yeah. And so, nyame beye. Nyame yohi. Hawaiian. Hey, something is happening here, guys. Ene, ene. I will never cut my hair short again. Never ever. See the way I'm struggling. This, I need bubble pins. If you don't know, this is called bubble pins. Because any day we needed to hold the stubborn ones that want to disturb me. Guys, to the edges, so I added another gel because my edges, I don't trust them. Yeah. Oh, look at how the hair turned out. Like, wow. The low puff on this short hair is really giving. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well. Because you've been able to watch up to this part, what are you waiting for? Means you enjoyed it. Just subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching. Love you.